Now, Housing Finance Group banking subsidiary HFC and Strathmore University Business School have partnered to empower small and medium enterprises with tailor-made financial solutions and training. The partnership targets SMEs within the manufacturing, real estate, healthcare, education and agriculture value chain sectors.
SMEs constitute 98% of all businesses in Kenya, responsible for 30% of jobs created annually. Despite their contribution to the economy, 46% of SMEs close within a year of founding due to challenges such as accessing credit and lack of technical know-how.
This partnership, as colleagues have said, will see us provide training opportunities to SMEs, both our clients and the clients of Strathmore.
If we push this partnership very well, we shall be supporting and growing so many people, creating opportunities for them so that they can find a way of living in dignity.
HF Group's banking subsidiary HFC and Strathmore University Business School have come together to support SMEs through training and capacity building and provision of financial solutions.
This partnership, as colleagues have said, will see us provide training opportunities to SMEs, both our clients and the clients of Strathmore.
I think we also have a meeting of the minds around the big picture, which we are all called to address in this country, in this continent, around the need to create growing enterprises that will create employment opportunities for the so many young people who are leaving school and joining the labor market.
Under the partnership, HFC and Strathmore will leverage each other's expertise to create a supportive ecosystem specifically designed to propel SMEs to the next frontier of growth and economic contribution. Betty Kiptum, Lunchtime News.